My name is Navdeep Suri. I'm the Indian ambassador in Egypt, and I've just been speaking on this conference on renewable energy. I've tried to share with the friends in Egypt India's experience in the field of renewable energy. We were the first country in the world in 1992 to set up an entire ministry for new and renewable energy sources so that we could have the right policy and the right emphasis in this area. And as a result of some of the policies that we have adopted in the last 20 years, we have seen that wind energy today is almost 20,000 megawatts. We have a very ambitious solar energy mission, and by 2022 we will have at least 20,000 megawatts of solar energy, and we are trying to see that more and more of our energy mix is from renewable sources as compared to fossil fuels, because renewable energy is clean and it is sustainable. But it does need the support of government in the initial stages before it becomes viable, and that's what we've been working towards.